just landed in Dallas, bro. It's actually my first time ever in Dallas. And guess what? It's also my first time traveling alone. I came solo dolo, guys. Tried to convince Kevin to come with me. He did not want to come. I tried to tell David, all the homies. No one wanted to come with me. So literally solo dolo, first time traveling alone, first time on a plane alone, and first time in Dallas. And it is hot, bro. What the heck? I need to take this hoodie off. It's humid. I heard it's about to rain today. I hope not, because today is Texas 2K. That is why we're in Dallas. Texas 2K, the craziest racing in the United States, I think. It has to be, bro. Everybody comes out from all over the world. They bring the fastest cars. Just to put into perspective, 1,500 horsepower is slow here. So imagine if I brought one of my, let's say my GTR, bro, 700 horsepower, it'll be nothing here. It would be the slowest car, literally. So I think there's like 3,000 horsepower cars, bro. So get ready. I'm super excited. Last year I came, but last year was in Houston. This time they changed it to Dallas. Last year was so much fun, so I'm excited to see how much we film this trip. I'm gonna try to film every single day, daily vlog. Right now we're just waiting for the homie to pick us up, another YouTuber. So comment down below, who do you guys think is gonna pick me up in the airport right now? He does racing videos too, so that's a little hint right there. But he should be picking me up any second, I hope. He said, bet, we about to be there. So he's almost here. Like I said, I need to get this hoodie off though, because it is hot, bro. I want to change. I should have brought shorts. I only brought pants. The flight was cool though. It was like a 2.5 hour flight. Not too bad from Cali. I got to edit a whole vlog on there, so go watch the video if you haven't already. The grind starts now, bro. I'm about a daily vlog. Also, if you guys watched last video too, and on Instagram, I posted me driving an R8. I think Kevin posted the outside of the R8 at the gas station, and everybody thinks that I bought that R8, guys. The black one in the last video. I'm sorry, it's not my car, guys. I wish it was, trust me, I wish it was mine too. But it's the homie Mo's car. He actually bought it, and that's one of the cars that I was looking at. I really wanted to buy it, and he just recently bought it, dude. Out of all people in the world, he's the one to buy it. It was out of state and everything. How crazy is it that one of my homies bought the car that I was looking at? That's crazy. Guess we gotta find another R8, but anyways, shout out to the homie Mo for letting me drive it in the last video. And my R8 is coming soon, I promise, guys. Once we get back from Texas, just a lot has been going on lately, but as soon as we get back, guys. Damn, the YouTubers.
I know even Kyle's with me with this.
What's up, bro? How's it going? How's it going? Look who picked me up, guys. My boy Drake built. He drove the car all the way from Cali. Bro, I can't believe you drove all the way down here.
Hey.
You're wild.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
My boy's committed.
Yeah. A bunch of Cali people actually drove down.
Really?
They're out here racing.
I don't got a car, bro. I can't drive. Guys, we made it to the track. And look at it. The first thing we see, a Mustang with the freaking bumper exit, bro. That's how you know we're in Texas, bro. We made it. Ooh, look at the GTR over there, guys. The first GTR we see. We made it, guys. Again, shout out to my boy Drake for picking me up from the airport. If you guys haven't, go watch his YouTube channel. Look, he's vlogging right now. Go watch his YouTube channel. I'll leave it linked right here, and I'll put it right here. We're gonna make a ton of content. I feel like he's the perfect person to stay with, bro, because he's a YouTuber, I'm a YouTuber, and we're both here for the same reasons. We both want to film as much content as we can. That's what we're about to do. We're a little late. We kind of went to the wrong track. From the airport, we went to Texas Speedway, and it was like an hour detour.
It was an hour and a half detour, bro. Hour and a half.
But we made it. I know, I felt bad. Just to come pick me up, dude.
It was our fault. We went on the wrong track, though.
This thing's sick. Look at the tire setup on this. Sheesh. By the way, look at the parking lot. The park on the grass, bro. Woo, we made it, guys. Oh my God. Get ready to see a bunch of crazy cars. Holy crap. Told you guys, fast cars are here. Hella fast. Damn, everything has a parachute on. Literally every car has a parachute. Us in Cali, this is insane to us because you cannot do that in Cali, bro. Holy crap, bro. It's insane. Look at the interior. Wow, I just found the group of freaking supercars, guys. Got all the Mustangs, Camaros over there, but look at this. R8, GTR. Freaking insane R8, insane GTR. And 100%, these are all over 1,000 horsepower. Easily over 1,000 horsepower. I would not be surprised if most of them are 2,000 horsepower, dude. Look at the wing. It's ridiculous, dude. Look at the exhaust setup. I'm already so happy that I came, guys. This is sick. Damn. So badass. Wow, guys, look at this 720. Full carbon front end. The entire front end is carbon. 765 with the slick on the back. Bro, oh my God, dude. Yeah, these cars are on another level, guys. Look at the bucket seats. Sheesh. So sick. I have the biggest smile on my face, guys. I'm so happy. Look at this pink R8. Damn. Wow. Look at the tire setup. The parachute on an R8. When do you see that, guys? Literally half the cars here. More than half. What am I talking about? More than half the cars here have parachutes. Damn. Holy crap, dude. Yeah, this is sick. This is insane.
Yeah.
So many supercars, bro.
Bro, just the amount of money right here is like
right here.
Insane.
These are the ballers and supercars.
Not only is the
tracks.
car already 250,000 or whatever, but then they put another 300,000-400,000 into it. Like,
for sure, over 1,500 horsepower at least.
oh, yeah,
2,000 everywhere. Look at that. The turbos in there.
2,000 might even be an understatement. It might be like 3.
I know. I feel like you need 1,500 and up.
Yeah.
1,500 slow here, guys. Look at the Lambo got a cage in it. Like, when do you see a Lambo with a roll cage? Performante too. Holy crap. Performante, guys. Imagine how much money this guy has to have, bro. Parachute on the Lambo. Dude. They said this guy actually has a Viper. He's daily in an R8 twin turbo while he's here in Texas. So he got like, I don't even know, probably 4 badass cars. But I think this is like the crazy one that he has. Bro.
Hey, did you see the post of the Lamborghini yesterday that popped off 2 lug nuts?
Oh, I did
Had
see
so much
that.
work, it snapped 2 lugs off.
Bro, hopefully we get some crazy shit on camera today. Look at the bumper on this thing. I know. SVJ? Damn. Look at that, guys. Oh my God. There's so much stuff to film here. It's ridiculous. GTR intercooler? Little wheels.
TEs, bro.
Ooh, that shit looks like Anthro's car. My boy's car looks just like this.
It does look like
Same wheels, same everything. That's sick. What's up?
Too big.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Guys, before we go watch some racing, let's go check out some of the cars in the pits. Look at all these Supras. Damn. Every single one has a parachute on it. G80? Oh no, that's F40. I'm pretty sure. Isn't this the fastest one?
No,
Oh shit! It is a little active arrow. Bro, what the fuck is that? That shit is crazy. Look at the filters on this thing. Guys, look where we are right now. Look at the cars that I'm looking at, bro. What is this? I know you guys have never seen something like this because I have never seen something like this in my life, bro. Holy crap. To be honest, it's like a piece of art. Like, bro, how much money do you think this is right here? Look at the dash. Do you guys consider this a GTR still?
No ideas.
I don't got enough money for this, bro. Look at the wheelie bar. The tires. God damn, bro. I hope you guys can see how big these tires actually are. Like, this is a full-on drag car. Wheelie bar, got 2 parachutes on it. I'm speechless, guys. These cars are ridiculous. I'm pretty sure I saw this thing online. They said that it's actually I think like a track car. It started off like a track R8, and they turned it into a drag racing car now. But it started off as like a circuit racing car. You know what I'm trying to say? But now it's a drag car. What the? Where's the door at? There's no way he's driving like this, right? Or is he just doing this to show off the interior?
The hell, where's the door?
Bro, that's what I said.
Where's the door?
There's no way he's driving like this.
Bro, they got release doors.
Look at the roof too.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure, guys, that's the fastest one. I think. Last year, I thought this was gonna be the fastest, but I think that beat the record. Which is crazy because this one looks more stock-ish, right? I don't know, besides that and that. But you would think this thing's faster, but I think this thing's the fastest, guys. I'm pretty sure this is the one that beat the world record last year. Big old filters, the turbos are right behind that. Crazy side exit exhaust. I cannot wait to see these cars run it tonight. Oh, by the way, look. That's how you take the whole hood off. The bumper, the fenders, and the hood all comes off. Everywhere you look, there's a GTR. GTR, GTR, GTR. About 8 or 10 GTRs in here. Wow. I'm pretty sure this is a very fast one too. I mean, dude, they're all fast. Wow, bro. Oh my god. Imagine how like crazy it is to drive in this car, guys. Like it would be a dream to get a ride in this thing. Imagine. I'd probably shit myself, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Look at this active aero on the wings. The turbo is just sticking out the front bumper. And carbon fiber headlights. Bro. No mirrors. I bet you for weight reduction and like aerodynamics, I'm sure. They do everything to make it fast. And again, 2 parachutes. Because one's not enough. Wow. These cars are ridiculous. My mouth actually hurts from smiling, bro. It's just so sick to see these cars in person. Like, bro, how can you not smile looking at these cars? It's insane. I would love to drive one of these, bro. Put me in one, please. Oh my god. That is goals, dude. A Lambo with a parachute. That's all I want in life. I'll be happy forever. This damn room. She go say what's up to him. To build a GTR like this, dude, you're spending at least like another 2 GTRs paid in cash on top of this GTR. Like this one for sure has at least like $500,000, if not $1 million put into it. Most likely $1 million, I'm not gonna lie. My boy Dan Ruse. What's up, bro? Nice seeing you again.
Made it today. I
made it. I literally landed like 2 hours ago. Bro, Dan's car is so nice. Look at the tire setup. Goals. I need one of these, bro. Damn. You guys hear that? Jeez. I think his slow map is like 1,200 horsepower. Slow, guys. Slow map right there. All the carbon hood, carbon fenders, carbon up here. I love the all black and like the subtle carbon sticking out. Like it's sick. So clean. Kind of reminds me of mine when mine was all black, guys. Nismo? Like, bro, how much money you gotta have to completely make a Nismo a race car?
Yeah, to make a Nismo a race car.
Dude, there's so many cars. I don't even know what to film anymore. More GTRs over there. Damn. Holy shit. Oh, look, another Nismo. No way, bro.
Lamborghini engine, what's been turbo kit?
Oh, shoot.
They have your GTR engine right there.
Look at that, it's the whole engine, trans, everything. Here you go, something a little bit different than GTRs and Lambos. We got some Beamers. I know you guys like Beamers. We gotta get some BMW content in here. Got the M4. Holy crap, what was that, bro? We gotta go see some racing right now, but I just wanted to see a couple cars before. Wow, bro, freaking parachute on an F80. Look at the tire. What's in here? Oh my god. Bro, these cars are ridiculous. Spraying nitrous on the M4, guys. I love this tire setup. Damn. Sick. I didn't even see that. Look at the turbo, bro. Dude. Yeah, I've never seen that, bro. For sure the only one in the world like that, guys. Never seen that before. Wow, this has to be the sickest F80 I have ever seen, bro. I think this is my boy's car, guys. He really bring it, dude. That's crazy. So many GTRs. I think we're gonna try to get it right in it. He told me he'll give me a ride in it. I don't know how fast it is, but I'm down. I miss driving a GTR, bro. Sheesh, Supras. I want one of these. I really want one, bro. This would be so sick to have, guys. One day I'm gonna buy one. My first meal of the day, guys.
Oh, you haven't ate yet?
I haven't ate nothing, dude. Keep in mind, I woke up at 5 a.m., bro.
Finally got some bread. Got me a little foot long.
4 p.m. already? Damn.
The Drake video?
The Drake video? Eat these chicken tenders, hopefully they're good. And then film some racing finally, guys. Holy crap. Something happened in a GTR? Transmission.
Oh, he blew his trans. He did. He's in neutral.
I swear that's a transmission, bro. Alright, we finally made it to the track, guys. Let's see some racing.
first track you get to see.
I know.
And they blow up.
Broken GTR. I'm bad luck, I think. What the fuck? Maybe it's me. It's R34. Damn, midnight purple. Sick. Sheesh, and a Supra. Damn.
What's good? Chilling, man. What up,
Película.
Película.
I'm learning, bro. I'm learning.
Hands, man.
Oh yeah, the LA and the New York's different, bro.
That's that Cali shit.
The Cali shit.
You from out here?
No, I'm from Cali.
Yo, shout out to FindingNick, man.
What's up?
What up,
Chilling, man. Drakeville, Película shit. Yo, we outside. Yo, we all gotta do some shit one day.
Let's do it.
Or some big shit.
I think I'm gonna hit Yellow Belly tonight.
Insane, guys. Look, we're right behind the racetrack now. I'm trying to finesse my way in there. Last year they were a little less strict. This year they're really strict. I'm going that way, so I'm gonna try to get the content for you guys. See if I can finesse my way. Holy shit, 2JZ guys, 335.
What's up?
We finessed our way in. Let's go. What's up, bro? How's it going? We're right in the front.
I believe the number is a 10.
Not bad, not bad.
20 years ago, this was
Guys, I think it's over. No way, day one's already over, bro. I saw one car go. Actually, I saw the Lambo too. I should have came here earlier, bro. Oh my god, dude. I came too late, guys. Sorry, this is probably the most boring Takeover vlog ever, but we did see all the cars in the pit and stuff. That was cool. Tomorrow, we'll come back and I'll finesse my way in again, I promise. That was sick. That was a little teaser of Takeover, okay? We did get here late, but don't worry. We still got Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Saturday, Sunday are like the most lit days because everyone's like, it's like the finals, bro. So all the fastest cars come out. So that's gonna be sick. Don't worry, I will not miss that. But today we got a little taste of Takeover. We saw a lot of the cars in the pits. Saw a ton of GTRs, ton of Lambos. I'm sure I have enough content. And some of these cars are ridiculous, bro. Like I was like mind blown at some of the engine bays and stuff like that. But it's all good. There's gonna be a ton of racing in these next uploads. So don't worry, I'm excited. Probably the worst Takeover video though. I am sticky, bro. Like it is so humid out here, guys. It doesn't look hot at all, but it's like hot and sticky, dude. I feel disgusting. How sticky I am, bro. Look at all the GTRs in the parking lot.
It's casually
I know.
fucking village specialty.
Bro, it is on a fucking tire.
In the parking lot, he's not even part of the event. That's insane.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.